Okay, market open in 1 minute. I am thinking that we reject out of this 15-minute gap, come straight down and mitigate this liquidity down here around this London low here. Clear that out and then be able to make a move higher. We're literally not. We just swept liquidity to go lower. Yeah, we're going lower. We're definitely taking that out. We gotta sweep this one more time. We have to sweep this one more time. Okay, we held this 15-minute. SMT's in play. 1-minute ifvg. Bullish divergence. This is fucking looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. Okay, 1-minute ifvg. Did we slam this? Should have slammed this. We're long. So I'll stop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You could go in for longs right here. Target those highs, break even there. 20-point stop. Let's see what this would play out as. Absolute banger trade. A+ setup. If I hadn't won that one right before this, I would have been full porting this. Got an SMT on ES right now though. I don't think that matters. We're gonna take it out anyway. Bang, bro. What the fuck did I just say? Just turtle souped ES. I'd cut this trade here. That would have been 60 points. That was A++. Okay, I am him. I called this out perfectly. Excellent trade. I won the first one. I only took one, but I won that first one. Kind of took my take profit a little early because I got a little excited. But I could have gone for that re-entry model. It was literally A++, and full TP would have been hit. It was an excellent first trade, even better second trade. Would have been incredible if I had gone for the 2, but I took my 1 win, didn't want to chase profits, and I guess I have to be happy with what I got there. But as I said, market open, I told you guys it's gonna come down and take out this liquidity down here. Oops, down here. We did exactly that. Came right down, swept London low. I think it actually went a bit lower than I anticipated, but we took out, we had this SMT off the end of this Asian session. We had a couple stacked up lows there. We took it out. We were inside this 1 hour fair value gap, filled the gap, got rejection. Let's go to the 15-minute. This is also a 15-minute gap. It held it, pretty much held it. We'll call that it. We'll say that it held it. And then I was looking for rejection out of there. And we got, let's see what ES did. We got SMT. Let's just get rid of all these drawings. We got SMT, we had a low here, that there, on ES, or at NASDAQ, we came down. So we got SMT from ES to NQ. We got SMT tapping into this 1 hour gap, swept this these equal lows over on Asia session. We swept those equal lows. We got an ifvg, 1 minute ifvg right there. That's where I went long, right here. It's kind of confusing. There's a lot on the board here, but that's where I got my entry right there. We inversed that other gap. I took my TP. I had my TP initially set at like up here. I should have just held it, but I don't know. I'm trading with a full contract, and it's just a lot of stress for me. But 25 points, we'll take it. Whatever, small win, but that definitely could have been a lot bigger. And then, so that was the first trade. That was kind of a bad RR. I need to man up and hold these, because let's just say, yeah, if I had held to my original TP, I just had to let it run, we would have been chilling pretty hard. That would have been a 1 to 1.4 or 1.5. Good enough. So that was the first trade. And then the second trade I was looking at was this guy here. Yeah, we oops, let's get rid of that. We had my ultimate entry model. We have bullish divergence on the RSI from that hump to that hump, diverging down. This is diverging up, bullish divergence, and then bam, we got our trigger hump, trigger wave right here. From that hump to that hump, and from this hump to this hump, they're corresponding with each other, the same, and that's when you know to slam along. You go, okay, we're done diverging, and now it's going with price. RSI is moving with price, and that was my second entry. Would have been right there. Tiny bit of drawdown, 20-point stop for and I did want to target these highs, but we got a SMT off ES, so I would have cut it short, and it would have been a 60-point move, which would have been huge. Would have been absolutely huge. That would have been the second trade, but this was A++ stuff here. That was as good as it gets. Pretty happy with today. And then price came up. That was the second trade, because I knew he wanted to tap back into this 15-minute gap off market open. I had it marked out here, actually. There's that gap, but I drew this line right there. That was that would have been our exit if we were fully committed, which we should have been. Yeah, see right there off those equal highs on the 1 minute. That would have been an absolute banger, almost 100 points there. That would have been an incredible trade. Would have passed eval off that. Definitely would have passed eval off that. But yeah, it's unfortunate, but also fortunate. But because I won that first trade, I didn't want to take another. I was happy with taking that one. It was $495 on eval, which I guess it means nothing. But a win's a win. We are closer to passing our eval here. I promised myself I was gonna behave myself, not take stupid trades, only take trades that I know are A+ or A++. And so far I've been doing that, and so far we are 2 for 2 on this eval. I'm feeling very confident about it. Yeah, super stoked to see how this plays out. I'm doing my absolute best to just get just one payout. I just want to get one payout. If I know I can get one payout, then I know if I'm disciplined, I follow my rules, and just work on my psychology here a little bit, because I would have passed eval if my psychology wasn't so cooked on this trade and my other trade I passed on, or I won on eval. If I had held both of them, they would have been a lot bigger trades. This first entry I literally could have just held. We would have, yeah, this would have been an absolute banger. But yeah, I just got to learn how to sit in it for a little longer and just wait till the move plays out, because I knew this would. I absolutely knew this would. I was just too scared to press the button. But yeah, sometimes that's how it goes, and a win's a win. Pretty happy with that. That'll be all I'm doing for today, and hopefully we have another A+ tomorrow, and maybe I'll try to hold it a little longer to get more than just like 25 points, because the other one was 24 points, this one was like 25 points, something like that. Smallest trades I've closed yet. Even on my live, I'm hitting way bigger trades, but I'm also losing a lot more, so maybe that's telling me something, but either way.